Firstly, let me introduce the part of air source. Air enters the system through pipes. Of course, we should turn on the rotator switch firstly. Then we adjust the pressure switch to keep the pressure at about 4.5. After setting, press the switch to lock. As you can see, the pipes are connected to two solenoid valves. They connected with two micro cylinders. This is a micro cylinder, and this is another micro cylinder. These four are magnet sensors used to detect the states of extension and retraction of cylinder. This is a capacitive sensor for detecting plastic workpieces. This is an inductive sensor for detecting metal workpieces. This is a photoelectric sensor that detects if workpiece falls onto the conveyor belt. When the photoelectric sensor detects a workpiece, it will send a signal to the PLC. Then the PLC will give a signal to the gear motor to make it to run. The gear motor drives the conveyor to work. And as you can see, this is a relay. Its main function is to control the state of the gear motor. Next, we will briefly introduce the panel part. These are the pins of the relay, where the lower two pins are the coins of the relay. And the upper 6 pins are the normally open contacts of the relay. These are the pins of gear motor. These are the pins of the solenoid valve 1. These are the pins of the solenoid valve 2. These are the pins of the photoelectric sensor. These are the pins of the inductive sensor. These are the pins of the capacitive sensor. The following are the pins of the magnet sensor switches. This is the start button, and this is the stop button. This is the stop indicator light. This is the running indicator light. If we press the start button, we will see the running indicator lights up, and the conveyor belt will work. Firstly, turn on power of the trainer. Turn on the power of the PLC, and press the start button. We can see that the running indicator lights up. At the same time, conveyor starts to work. Then we put a workpiece into system. Photoelectric sensor detects the workpiece, and the gear motor will be controlled by PLC to let the conveyor to works. When a metal workpiece is placed, it is detected by inductive sensor. The inductive sensor sends a signal to PLC for processing. The PLC controls the microcylinder to extend and push the metal workpiece into the workpiece store. When the plastic workpiece is placed, it will be detected by the capacitive sensor. The capacitive sensor will send this signal to the PLC for processing. The PLC controls the microcylinder to extend and push the plastic workpiece into the workpiece store. Well, that's all. Thanks for your watching.